I got this pearl bead hand press and setting tool, and I love it. I'm not a fan of the boxy sleeves on t-shirts, and I wanted something fashionable to hold the folded and cuff sleeves. I'd never used one of these, and this set is perfect for beginners. The tool is easy to use, there's no complicated steps, and the instructions are easy to follow. The hand press lever allows you to attach these pearls effortlessly and with ease. The kit comes with all the things to complete the project, including 2 organized boxes of pearls. One is the all white ones with various sizes, and the other is a variety of colors in various sizes. You get a bag of the rivets, you get the tools that match the size of the pearls that you're using, you get the tool to actually apply it, you get the tweezers, you get 2 cute little trays, so you can put your little project items in there, and of course the instructions that are super easy to follow. So I have here the t-shirt that I did with the beads that I've already done on there. Nothing special, nothing crazy, but simple and easy and cute, and I enjoy it. So what I've done over here is I've folded up the sleeve just 3 times over, and then I take the bead of choice. I chose some beads, they're various colors but within the same range. I'm going to take this blue one here. You just pop it up in the little attachment there. I'm going to take a rivet, and you want to get a rivet where the prongs are facing up. You'll see that when you get them that they have pokey prongs, and you just lay it in there. It's super simple. You just lay it in there. And then I'm just going to take the top of my sleeve here, lay it on the bottom part of the rivet press, and then I'm just going to bring it down and squeeze. There's no click or anything. You just squeeze like, as hard as you feel like you need to, and then voila, it's on there. So now I have my riveted bead. The kit is, like I said, super easy to use. I like to use it on my t-shirt sleeves, but there's other ideas you can use it for. You can put it on pants, dresses, maybe purses or shoes. Headbands would be cute. So much more. I love this because it is a complete kit. It is durable and strong. There's an abundance of pearl beads. It's easy to use. And the machine is, as you saw, effortless. I love it.